Exploring the flavors, American versus Korean versus Indian fried chicken. Welcome aboard on a culinary journey across continents, exploring the unique versions of a universally loved dish, fried chicken. First stop, America, home to the classic Southern fried chicken. Crisp on the outside, juicy inside, it's a delicious testament to simplicity. Sailing to Korea, we find the famous Korean fried chicken. Double fried for crunchiness and coated with a sweet spicy glaze, it's truly finger-licking good. Next, we land in India, where fried chicken takes a spicy turn. Marinated in a burst of spices and deep fried for a crunch that resonates, this is Indian fried chicken. 3 countries, 3 styles, 1 dish. Each version carries the taste of its land, yet shares the universal appeal of fried chicken. So the question is, which one would you try first? Or would you dare to try them all and find your favorite fried chicken?